Good morning, students. I hope that you all have revised the first part of the syllables, isn't it? Yes, let me continue the remaining types of syllables. Got it, children? Yes. What is third one? Magic E. Magic E refers a syllable with the long vowel consonant silent E pattern. Here, if it is a vowel, that is a long vowel, followed that E comes means that E will be silent. Got it, children? If it is a long vowel, followed that E comes means that E is silent there. Then mostly E ends in that word means there also it will be silent. Got it, children? Yes. For example, bake, B-A-K-E, bake. Here one vowel after this consonant. See, vowel then consonant then E comes means there will be silent here. Bake, pine, bone. Are you pronouncing Becky, piney, bony? No. Here E is silent. That's why bake, pine, bone. Got it, children? That's why we call it as magic E. That E is silent here. Got it, children? Yes. Yes, the next fourth one are controlled. Where R is controlled? A syllable in which the vowel or vowels is followed by the single letter R. The vowel sound is controlled by the R. Here, followed the vowel R comes means this vowel letter no, this sound R sound is controlled. For example, born, B-A-R-N, born, not born. Are you pronouncing born? No, born. Fern, F-E-R-N, fern. Bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Torn, T-O-R-N, torn. Burn, purse. Star, bone, yard. For these words, R is silent. Why it is silent means because it is followed that vowel. It is followed that vowel. That's why R is silent. For example, rest, R-E-S-T, rest, R sound, rest. R sound comes no. Then irrespective, irrespective, R-E-S-P-E-C-T-I-V-E, irrespective. Here ir, that R sound, rest, rest. Got it, children? Here and all we can see, we can hear R sound. But if it is followed vowel, then R is silent there. That R sound controlled by this vowel. That R sound controlled by this vowel. Got it, children? Yes. Come to fourth type. What is that fourth type? That is vowel team. What is vowel team? A syllable containing two vowels that together make one vowel sound. Here, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now two vowels joined together and gives you any one of the vowel sound. That you call it as vowel team. Got it? A, E, O, E. Here, for example, B-E-A-N, bean. Here, A sound is silent. E sound had a given, isn't it? So, bean. Next, pie. Here, I-E, two vowels joined together. Okay, that you call it as vowel team, but it gives you only one sound. Either of these two sounds, it gives you one sound. Bow, cheek, boat, tray. Got it, children? So this we call it as vowel team. Come to the next sixth one, diphthong. What is meant by diphthong? A syllable containing two vowels in which a new vowel sound is formed by the combination of both vowel sounds. Already I told you two vowels joined together means that you call it as vowel team, but it gives you any one of those sounds. But here two vowels are joined together, but it gives you another vowel sound. It doesn't give you that same sound, same letter sound. It gives you another sound. See, for example, boil, oil, oil, O-I, but it doesn't give these two sounds. Instead of that, it gives you another sound, that is boil. Cloud, look, oo sound is given. Cloud, that sound is given. Got it, children? Boil, cloud, look. This we call it as diphthong. Next, last syllables, that is consonant LE. Here this sound is hidden. An unaccented final syllable containing a consonant and LE. For example, CLE. Here that is a consonant, then E sound. Okay. For example, two consonants, then E sound. That especially LE sound. Especially what sound? LE. LE, how will you pronounce it? Lee. Can you give an example? Yes, leap. L-E-A-P. Leap. Lee. L-E. Lee sound. Leap. Then L-E-A-S-E. Lees. L-E sound. But here, how that sound comes here? Check it. Bubble, ill. It has given ill sound, isn't it? Instead of le, what sound is given to us? Ill. Okay, bubble, staple, circle, ill. Okay, this le sound, not le. Okay, there how it is pronounced? Ill sound. Bubble, staple, circle. So, if you learnt all these 7 types of syllables, it is really very easy to read the words. Got it, children? I hope that you all understood very clearly. If you have any doubts, you can ask even in online live classes. Got it, children? Thank you.